Today I will show you how to make a house in Revit BIM. So first of all, from the BIM, Revit, Revit, whichever model you're having, just open new, click new. Now you can see the units imperial, multidiscipline, or you can also select the metric. If you are comfortable with feet, inches, then you can go for the imperial, multidiscipline, and if you are more comfortable with meters, you can go for the metric multidiscipline. So I have selected the imperial and selected OK. Now you can see here the Revit. This is the interface for the Revit. You can see architecture, structure, steel, precast, but now we are going to work on the architecture. From here you can see there is wall, door, window, and component columns. There are different types of things. We will start because it is a beginner friendly course. We will start from the wall. First of all, remember that this on the left side you can see the properties, and it is very important. Whatever you will select from here, wall, door, window, component, column, or roof, whatever you are going to select, the properties will be opened here. And you can also see the views that architect, if they are not open, you can open it by yourself. And if you want to learn the course in detail, you can also message me. So, for the beginners, you can see that from the view, you can see here L1 architectural, L2 architectural. These are the levels. Level 1 is the ground floor, or level 2, whichever you have selected. I can also show you how to make the grid and levels, but at this moment I am just going to show you how to draw the walls, and it is very easy. It is easier than AutoCAD. Today I will show you how to draw the wall. First of all, from the architecture wall, select wall architectural. Whenever I have selected the wall architectural, you can see there are different properties here. If I will select wall center line, then all the properties will be from center to center. So base constraint L1, base offset 0. I can show these everything to you in detailed videos if you want, but at this moment, this is for, let's go for 12 feet. And don't forget to apply. Now our wall will be 12 feet high. From here, I am going to draw a wall like this and this. Now you will say that I have done it arbitrarily, and don't forget to click it, right? Uh, if you will press escape, then you can escape from uh, it. You can see now that the walls are present. This wall, it is 124 feet. If I want to convert it to 121, 10, or 100, I can just write it and it will convert it to 100 feet wall. If and I want to convert this wall, this is 92 feet. Let me convert into 60 feet. I will just write 60. Now you can see that 100 by 60 feet walls are present. If I want to do it again, I want to complete the boundary. I will again press the architecture, wall architecture. Again, the walls will open and I can draw the wall. It is very easy to draw the wall here. And you can see this is a straight line and you are guided how to connect it at the. Don't forget to click enter and then you can also connect it. Now, this everything has been prepared. You can see the boundaries there. Now, the second thing is you want to see is really the wall, has the wall been created or not? And how can we check it? So, for this, let me go to, always remember there, this window is for L1, that this is for the ground level. I can make L2, L3, L4, and all of them will have the different windows. So now I am going to show you how it will look in 3D. This is a 3D view, and you can see that you don't need to convert it into the other one. This simple 3D you can see from here. Now, if you want to see the top, this is your top. If you want to see the right, this is the right. If you want to see the left, it is the back, it's the back. This is your left, this is your front. Whatever you're seeing, you can see it from here. And you can also zoom in. Now I want to check. Go back to L1 architecture. Possibly I have made something additional here, which I am going to delete. Right. Now again, if I will go to the 3D view, I will not see anything like that. Right, back, and all the things are here. If you want to zoom in region and see in detail, you can just click zoom in region. This is zoom in region, and you can have it like this. Now this is your call. Now I will show you how to put the windows and paint on it in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.